Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to do a reaction video para sa isa sa mga powerhouse na cheerleading team sa Pilipinas, ang Arellano University Chief Squad. By the way, I am Edwin, dating cheerleader sa UAAP Cheer Dance Competition from 2014 until 2020 at certified cheerleader cheer fanatic. And if you're into cheerleading or cheer dance or maybe reaction videos just like this, welcome again to my channel. And maupo kayo dyan, hanap kayong pwesto. Marami kayong maupuan dyan sa gilid. Dun, dun. Yan, sige, tama. So disclaimer lang, I am not a very technical for everything. So maybe I'm a cheerleader pero hindi ko masyadong inaalam yung mga technical side of life because ang dami-dami na namin ginagawa sa routine B. Nagbubuhat kami, nagtatumbling, nagpipiramid. So kung may mga masasabi akong mali or mga technicalities na hindi ko nabanggit, just comment down below and be happy to be corrected. Because at the end of the day, I am just here sharing my knowledge and my support to all the cheerleaders like me dyan sa Pilipinas. And I'm very, very proud for all the Filipino cheerleaders. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's go. So Arellano Cheap Squad is very known for their sharpness sa movements, difficulty, crazy pyramids transition. So I'm so excited to see what's they're gonna bring for us this season. Okay, that's a big wow. CHIEFS Chief Squad. Love it. That's very new. Pero kami nyo next time mga pang purok-purok or HTA natin dyan. Okay, good. So with NCAA, they really have the typical international style ng cheer part. So they basically cheer their school names and their colors, and we really need to make it very easy to say or to cheer para maging interactive siya din sa mga audience. For example, dito, red, gray, and blue. Kahit grade 1 ba, alam nila yung color na yan. So, everybody can relate and everybody can cheer for you. And if that's the case, everybody's cheering for the team, it means effective yung cheer part nila and they might get higher points for cheer part. And of course, the energy, they really need to be the source of energy to cheer, not the crowd will cheer for them. And with Arellano, I really see na sobrang strong ng cheer part. Kitang-kita yung angas and yung tapang. Okay, let's post for them. Okay, be? Hinga muna kayo. Sige, hinga. So, hinga. Ilang minuto? Ilang segundo? 1 hour? Sige, hinga lang kayo. Mag-usap-usap lang kami dito. So, yun na nga. Charot. Okay, let's go. Let's start. Ready na ako? Ready na ba kayo? Panginoon, gabayan niyo po ako dahil hindi ko pa alam ginagawa ko ngayon. Nagre-reaction po ako na kung ano-anong pinagsasabi ko. Okay, Ayo Chip Squad. Let's go. Okay. 1 man. Opening. Oops. Mayroon na agad isang fall. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 1, and 7 standing tumblings. Okay, good recover. That is very strong. Kudos kila Ates. Okay. Bakan backtack. Wow. And with girls. Amazing. Very strong. Okay, rewind. Okay, rewind 1 man. May isang fall. It's okay. Pero kami deduction yan. Okay, handstand, hand to hand. Full. Double down this man. Okay, very good. Strong 1 man, huh? Amazing. Love it. Okay, let's pause and let's give some feedback for that. So again, as what I said earlier, Arellano really give the identity, or like when you say Arellano, they really have a strong 1 man, strong stunts and tumblings. And with NCAA, I guess, okay, let me check. Okay, first, cheer part is 10 points, partner stance is 25 points, pyramid is 25 points. So as we can see, that cheer part is really strong. I would say they could perfect that part. And with the partner stance, though, meron na agad silang mga fall, but I guess it's just a point or 2 points each deduction lang. Hindi naman siya overall will drag all the, the sequence and difficulty ng 1 man. But maybe in general public, they would say like, oh, may laglag sila, talo na sila, hindi na nila deserve manalo. But that's why we have judges. They're the one who will do it in a very technical and a right way. So Hindi ako judge. So, kaya na nila yan. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, tumbling. Lahat nag-round of backhand, back tap. With some girls at the back, nag-heights. Okay, pyramid. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Okay, it's a gainer rewind, and for my eyes as a cheerleader, I would say it's a very simple transition, but the way they execute it, they make it very smooth, and I would say smart, because if you could see, okay, I will pause it out. Okay, look at the base. Yung pag-mount pa lang nila, kulang na lang nakaluhod na to sila kuya. Oh. And that approach is really smart, you know, because kasi because the major pasabog this is because the major pasabog for this is only one man mounting sa pyramid, which is wow. It's a wow for me. Oh my God, di ko kayang gawin yun. Kayo lang gumagawa yun. Actually, this is something new for the cheerleading world this time. They really show how, you know, how they can be more difficult in a way. They mount it only for with a one person. It's really wow and really strong. Hello. Baka kaya nyo nang bumato ng ref or ano, inahing baboy dyan. Okay, dismount. Grabe ang condition ng training siguro nito mga to. Okay, nice. Front walk to 1-1-1 to full ups. Dismount. Swan dive or okay, good. Front up. Boom. Okay, boobs. Hey, that's so cute. Again, I'm not saying that it's simple, but it's very creative, I would say. I mean, umikot sila. I mean, comparing for those transition, a gainer, rewind, full twist, or what. But what they're doing about this 1-1-1 pyramid, they just turn around and it gives us the visual that's very new, very refreshing for all the audience. And that, I love it. Good. Very strong. Makikita mo din talaga sa kanila, sobrang advantage pag nag-uusap-usap kayo and you just feel that you are, you know, nasa training. Okay, now with the toss, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full twist kanina and this one. X out full. Okay, good. Next. Okay, one man. Front walk up. Okay. Rewind this man. Hindi ko alam kung pwede yung shotgun sa kanila. Boom. Oh my God, ang balikat. Kamusta naman ang mga balikat na mga bases? Okay, parang familiar na to ah. Okay, boom. Okay, one more. Hey! Pasabog. Very very Arellano ang atake. Okay, good. Front up. Pyramid. Okay. Full twist going forward? Full twist mounting ba yun forward? Di ko alam. Okay, I will check later. So by the way, ang points for pyramid is 25 points. So I guess sa NCAA, kasi UAP and NCAA is a different league, obviously, right? So with the UAP, we have 50-50, like 50-50 dance and 50% cheer. But here I could say it's more with the partner stance and pyramid. So kung yung team is very strong with two of this, malaki na yung advantage nila sa overall, or I mean, malaki na yung advantage nila para manalo. Okay, nice. Wow, interesting. Okay, go proceed. Okay, one man again before tumbling pass. Okay, good. Okay, tumbling pass tayo ngayon. Oopsie. Napa-scorpion si Kuya. Okay, Arabian Pike 1.5. Okay, series. Ito na naman sila. Ayan, sige, ibato nyo. Mga Diyosa. Okay, good. Okay, patong sa table. And Finrontak. Boog! Pasabog. Hey! I love it. Very strong. Okay, next. Grabe, I really feel the pressure ng pagiging defending champion, you know? Because for me, with this routine, hindi mo naman nakalaban yung ibang, hindi mo naisipin yung mga kalaban mo. Ang magiging kalaban mo na lang dito is yung sariling team nyo. Kung paano nyo may execute ng tama yung routine. Kung paano kayo lalaban yan. Tulad nito, nasa gitna. No, no, no. I love it. Nice. I love it. Really strong. Guys, makahinga na kayo. Next year na ulit. So, yun na nga. That's the Arellano University Cheap Squad. It's a very, very strong and well-presented routine. So, masasabi mo talaga na after this routine, sila na yung winner. So, dadako na tayo sa mga comments natin for the routine. By the way, shout out to Coach Lucky and to your members. Congratulations, Coach. Sobrang lakas nyo. And I wouldn't say na you are NU of UAP because you have your own name sa NCAA. And I'm really, really, wow, wala akong masabi. Ang lakas. Parang if there will be a chance na magkakaroon ng competition soon, Arellano and other teams with NU, sobrang hindi na siya nalalayo sa mga UAAP cheerleading team. And yeah, I hope sana magkaroon. I hope sana sumali lahat ng team sa NCC para pasabog, di ba? Magkakaalaman talaga kung sinong ipapadala. Charot! So I have two things to mention for my video. One is what I love, and second is what could be sharper. So with that, maybe something to improve or like more cleaner and so forth. First thing what I love is the energy, and they really giving the champion aura sa kalaban nila. For sure, most of the cheerleaders na kalaban nila or their competitor, sobrang intimidating kasi nung dating nila for being a team, you know. Makikita mo talaga na they're very confident and very skillful. Kitang-kita mo na pinaghirapan nila yung routine na ipapakita nila, and they're very, very, yeah, as I said, very confident. Kitang-kita mo mga nakataas ang noo. And yeah, kitang-kita mo sa facial expression, which is really good. And of course, the pyramids. Sobrang binibasican nilang pyramids. Para silang mga robot na may magnet sa bawat isa. Pakong-pako ang mga transitions nila sa pyramids. And yeah, they're giving new transition na audience, the general public will appreciate and mapapawaw and mapapa-cheer talaga sila sa pyramids na pinakita nila. Kudos to that. It's really top tier. And the third thing is yung chemistry nila with each other. You know, as a team and individual, it's really hard to work individually if you're in a team. As what we said, you are a team. Hindi ka lang si Maria and AU Cheap Squad, you know, you are team. And you really need to connect and have a good chemistry. Kasi, and I would say, alam na nila na if you are a champion team, if you have a champion heart, you treat each other as a family. It's really more than us. Alam ko yung mga sacrifices nila for their family and for their own sake, you know. Yung feeling na mapalayo ka sa mga friends mo, sa magulang mo, or you miss all the birthdays or whatever important event important events in your life. That's really matter, and that's really manifested and show them the good chemistry and connection that we have inside the routine. What more pa sa labas? The chemistry, the relationship with each other in and outside the match is really strong. I love it. Wow. Okay, let's move on to what could be sharper or maybe what to improve if meron. Okay, it's really obvious that some of the stunts, meron tayong mga falls and wobbles. You can see, meron talaga silang obvious na fall. Maybe 3 or 4. Meron din ata silang touchdown ng body parts, hindi ako sure. Pero it will cost them few points, pero I would say it will not drag them to, you know, lowest score. I haven't seen the final tally sheet or like final score sheet ng competition, so we will see and find out kung ilan yung deduction nila sa stunts. But all in all, the stunts is really strong. Just that's the thing that we need to improve or sharp, like the stability and yeah, finish it strong. Second, maybe the tumbling pass, though the criteria of judging 10 points ang tumbling passes. So tumbling, I am not sure, but with their tumbling passes, they are one of the most strongest passers sa buong NCAA cheerleaders. Nakita natin ang daming mga combinations na pinakita. Though something to improve is yung synchronization sa tumbling, which is honestly, it's really hard to perfect because, you know, iba't ibang cheerleaders. Merong mga gymnasts and merong mga homegrown. So it's one of the challenging part ng isang team. So for Arellano, I think that's one thing that they can improve. But all in all, it's all good. They're really strong. So I think that's for all for this reaction video with Arellano University Chief Squad. So I hope I said something really reasonable and makatao, alam mo yon. Sana wala akong naapakang tao or nasabing masama, because as far as I mentioned earlier, all this reaction is coming from a cheerleader's eye, you know. The feeling of being inside the mats is really unexplainable. Aside from that, yung stamina and endurance that you really need to sustain. If there's a thing that I will be very, very proud of myself, that thing is that I become a cheerleader, because with cheerleading, it's really more than a sports, you know. I could even say this is not a sport. It's really more than a sports, you know, because sobrang buwis buhay ng sports na to, and I really commend all, and I'm very, very proud of all the cheerleaders out there. And for the Arellano University, congratulations for your 7th title and 6th championship for NCAA. And I hope next year makawitness pa kami ng maraming pasabog and out of this world transitions. And we're very looking forward for it. And yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa mga nanood. If you're a fan of cheerleading or just love seeing athletes pushing their boundaries, don't forget to subscribe and like this channel if you want to have more cheerleading related contents like reaction video. Comment down kayo kung anong next cheerleading team yung pwede kong bigyan ng reaction. Yun lang. Bye-bye!